going to show you how to make the rainbow shot. It's been a fun thing to introduce to the bar whenever you need to liven it up. If you have a few regulars that you think want to split it, if there's a birthday at the bar, it's visually impactful, people like it. The liquids we're going to be using today are grenadine, orange juice, vodka, and blue Curacao. The other tools you'll need is a glass or a tin to build it in, a strainer, a spoon, and some ice. You're going to start by pouring a 4 count, which is 1 ounce of grenadine, straight to the bottom of this cup. You don't want it to hit the insides, just straight to the bottom. Next, you want to fill this cup with ice. The first few pieces you put in there, you want to put them in really gingerly so it doesn't splash grenadine all over the inside of your cup or your tin. Now you want to get your spoon, hold it over the top of your cup, and pour a 20 count, which is 5 ounces of orange juice. All right. Do the same thing with your vodka. I'm going to put a 4 count, which is 1 ounce. You obviously have the discretion to do 2 or 3 ounces. All right, so blue Curacao is the real troublemaker here. So you want to put your strainer on top. Get ready to immediately pour after you add the blue Curacao. We're going to do a 3 count right into the strainer, into the spot where you're going to pour from. All right. Woo! Rainbow shot, what you got?